Let's take a look at the process involved in making a donabe. First, the clay is mixed and prepared for molding. The clay is molded into the shape of a donabe and is fired in a 54-yard-long kiln at 2,370 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 hours. After firing, the pots are slowly cooled over several hours, then each one is hand inspected. Any small imperfections are corrected, and the glaze is prepared and applied. Next, the pots are again fired in the kiln, this time for 3 hours. After the second firing, each donabe is again carefully inspected by skilled workers. The next step in the production of these pots is to apply a design coating, which is painted on. The pots are fired again for about 1.5 hours, then again slowly cooled. Once the donabe have been fired 3 times, the final step is for the highly trained workers to hand inspect each one. Miyawo is one of the few manufacturers in the industry which boasts the ability to manufacture everything under one roof, including the printing and packing of the final boxes. It works best on direct flame, but can also be used in a microwave or conventional oven and can be taken from the refrigerator and put directly on heat without the worry of it cracking. We hope you enjoy using your donabe and learn to appreciate the simple and healthy dishes which are waiting for you to try.